$21,550 in 2 weeks with this new affiliate marketing system. So let's go straight into it. I'm going to show you in this short to the point video exactly step-by-step tutorial how I went from zero to $21,000 with this affiliate system using Google Ads. So let's go straight into it. Before we go into it, let me show you over here where you can find me. So later, after watching this video, what you can do is you can follow me on my Instagram, you can DM me here. If you have any kind of questions, right, just let me know and we will basically go step by step. Now let's go straight into it so you can see what exactly is going on and how you can copy and paste the same methods. Alright, so what is my system? My system is basically, first of all, doing affiliate marketing with low ticket and high ticket affiliate programs. So as you can see over here, we have targeted traffic, which can be Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or Google ads in this case, right? And again, why Google ads, why Google AdWords, why Google PPC campaigns with ClickBank or any other platform out there is because we are looking for not leads, for buyers, right? The big difference is people who are only paying for clicks and leads, but those don't convert to sales often, right? So if you remember, we are looking for sales, we're looking for buyers, so it's all about quality over quantity, right? So we have opt-in page, which can be a ClickFunnels or WordPress website, blog page, and then we have one-time offer, which can be MaxWeb or ClickBank offer, low ticket or high ticket, and an automated email follow-up sequence. So that is the secret. Lots of gurus are telling you you don't need email. Yes, you do need if you want to have sustainable, long-term affiliate commissions, right? And stress-free life where you can basically wake up in the morning and imagine this, send one email out, and that day make $1,000 or $2,000 in one day. It's possible once you have 10,000 people, 5,000 people on your email list, send one email and make $500 to $2,000 that day. All right, so this is the system of how this works, right? As you can see over here, right? We always offer to someone a lead magnet. So what is lead magnet? It can be basically a free cookie, free gift, which has to be really, really specific, right? You can't just offer any free ebook on ClickBank and expect sales. It doesn't work this way. So it has to cause the audience, the client, to respond, and it attract perfect prospects. So two jobs, right? First, attract perfect prospect, and second of all, cause them to respond, take action, put the name and email address in it, so you can send them email autoresponder sequences every single day, right? This is work really, really perfect. Now the next thing is, right, what are the big audiences? Remember, you have to go above, after huge audiences, like for example, manifestation, self-help, personal growth, personal development. It's huge niche. Another thing is fitness, weight loss supplements, right? And cookbooks. So those audiences tend to spend money, $50, $200, $1,000 per day or per month, whatever they're doing, right, on different programs, different courses, different supplements in weight loss space, right? So we go after the pain and problems and offer them high quality solutions, right? We're not selling or promoting a crap. We're promoting something that actually delivers the value. So that way you can make money from all the upsells on the back end and make those huge affiliate commissions using ClickBank affiliate marketing. As a beginner, doesn't matter, are you a beginner or you're someone who's already earning good money online. If you want to make money online, passive income, side hustle, right, whatever income you want to make, you can do it through affiliate marketing, promoting other people's high quality products. Now the next thing is over here, right? What I'm offering you, so if you're watching this video, if you want to get results with affiliate marketing, right, what I can do for you is me and you can jump on a Zoom call or a Skype call, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever, and have a conversation about you, where you're at right now, what you are trying to achieve, what is your end goal, how much money you want to make, and what is your ad budget at the moment which you can afford to spend for affiliate marketing campaign, right? So I believe in you. Let me know, but only if you are serious, right? So as you can see over here, right, this is not for you. So if you're watching this video right now, this is not for you if you're not serious person, right? If you're not willing to spend 1 hour at least per day or every second day, and if you're not willing to invest minimum, again, I'm repeating myself, minimum $1,000 to $5,000 or more US dollars, right? So if you're an excuse maker, if you're procrastinating, if you're afraid to take a little bit of risk, pulling the trigger, taking action, right, then this is not for you. You can unsubscribe because it will not help you, right? You can watch tons of free videos, never invest any money, and then not getting any kind of results, right? So it's up to you. Decision to take action now, right? So what you can do is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can connect with me one-on-one, Facebook, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, right? You can also join my free private email list where I'm giving you hot tips on what products are working really well right now, what actually you can do to get the results, step-by-step tutorial, right? What traffic source to use to get fast, cheap, easy clicks that will convert to sales, and what offers to promote, right? So it's all about hand-holding, working together, and understanding you have to be an action taker, someone who takes action to get the results that you desire. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and all the links to connect with me one-on-one are in the description below.